Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zendesk with Slack. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows your support team to receive instant notifications about tickets, updates, and customer inquiries directly in Slack, making collaboration and response times much faster. To get started, open your browser and head over to zendesk.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your Zendesk account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has administrative access, as you'll need the proper permissions to set up integrations. After logging in, you'll land on your Zendesk dashboard. Now look over to the left side of the screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings icon. Click on it and it will automatically direct you to the Admin Center. The Admin Center is where all the powerful configuration options live, including integrations, user management, and workflow settings. Once you're in the Admin Center, focus on the left side panel again. Here, you need to find and click on Apps and Integrations. This section houses all the third-party tools and services you can connect with Zendesk to enhance your workflow and productivity. Inside Apps and Integrations, scroll through the available options until you locate Slack. When you find it, you'll notice there are 3 dots next to the Slack listing. Click on those 3 dots, and from the menu that appears, select Connect. This initiates the connection process between your Zendesk and Slack accounts. Now here's where things can go one of 2 ways depending on your setup. If the Gmail account you're using for Zendesk is already associated with your Slack workspace, the system will recognize this and automatically log you into Slack without requiring additional credentials. This makes the process seamless and quick. However, if your accounts aren't linked yet, you'll be prompted to manually log in to your Slack account. Simply enter your Slack login details and proceed. Slack will then ask you to allow certain permissions so Zendesk can send notifications and interact with your workspace. Make sure to review and allow all the necessary permissions for the integration to work properly. In this case, because my Slack account is already connected, Zendesk automatically logs me in. The next step is to grant permission for Zendesk to access your Slack workspace. You'll see a screen asking you to click Allow. Go ahead and click that button to confirm. Once you click Allow, you'll see a confirmation message that says Zendesk account connected to Slack. This means the integration is now active and ready to use. Your Zendesk notifications will start appearing in your Slack channels, keeping your team informed and responsive in real time. And that's it. Your Zendesk and Slack accounts are now fully integrated. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.